Good morning, YouTube. What's up? I'm on my drive to work and I got a thought in my head I wanted to share. And that is, you know that saying, we've all heard it, early bird gets the worm, right? What does that mean? What's the power in knowing that? You know? Early bird gets the worm. Okay, like, what does that mean? Well, to me, that means just showing up every day. Every day. The day you don't show up is the day that the worm is going to be there. You know? Life is a lot about positioning yourself for things to come, for things to happen. You know? Why does a bird get up early? To search for the worms, the night crawlers that are out all night, right? Once the sun comes out, they go back under the ground and your opportunity's over. So, but if you get up and you position yourself, you're gonna get the worm, right? That's what that means to me. Align yourself up with opportunities that you want. And it's not gonna be, you know, maybe it's not every day you get a worm. But if you're not up early for the opportunity, if you're not out there aligned with it, you're never gonna get it, right? So to me, that's what that means, is aligning yourself up for the opportunity when it presents itself. And it's opportunities are around you all the time, every day. But if you're going for big things, it's not gonna happen every day, you know? But you gotta position yourself so that you can get the worm. You know what I mean? So think about that in what you're doing every day. Try to position yourself a little bit better, you know? That's with everything. Everything. So, you know, big things don't happen just overnight, but you gotta train yourself, get yourself better, align yourself. So when it's there, it's for the taking. You know, if you're a bird, you're lazy, and you're sleeping in every day, you're obviously not gonna get the early worm, are you? So, yeah. Align yourself up with what you want to do, what you want to see happen in your life. Alright, guys? Let's get it. Let's have a good day. Later.